Hey guys, it's Pete from Kid Friendly TV, and if you want to learn your numbers today with me in this Lego number train.
Welcome to Rainbow Learning.
Guys, it's Whitney
And Pete from Kid Friendly TV, and today we're going to learn our ABCs with this Melissa.
Entertainment.
Let's find the hippopotamus.
9 10
When F got home, PZ welcomed him, and everyone cheered.
We'll be officially done with our Walmart storefront. Yay again.
Let's find the crocodile's home.